up, everybody? Thank you for coming to another detailing video. And today we got the homie Arnold again. How you doing today, man?
Pretty good, pretty good. Just here, knocking out another detail.
Another detail, but in this video, what are you gonna show us?
So right now I'm gonna show you guys my setup here, my little low profile setup I have on my pickup truck.
Dang. Hey man, you're not afraid that someone's gonna steal stuff?
No.
Pop it open and...
I mean, it locks up, so that's good there. Locks up, and the tailgate also locks up, so I think we should be good. As long as somebody really wants it.
Now, this is what you have right now, but you're planning on maybe getting something different?
Yes, I'm thinking about either getting a van or maybe something different. I want to stand out, you know. So I have the van in mind, and I also have a camper shell that I want to either purchase. So let me know, you guys. See what you guys think. Should I go with the camper shell, put it on this one here, or should I go with the van?
All right, so we're gonna check out his setup, and then we're gonna tell you what he wants to do with it, what his next goals, and then you guys let us know in the comments below what you guys think, all right?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. All right, Arnold, so my first question is, why your truck?
It's my daily, man, you know. I have my family in there, my girls, my wife.
So you use it for both?
Yeah.
Business and personal?
Yeah. I mean, I have another little car, but this is our main one. We go out around the town and stuff.
So you had this truck, and then you made it into detailing, or you got it specifically for detailing?
No, I got a specific. I had another truck I was using, pretty much same setup.
Oh, okay.
But this truck here, I upgraded for family-wise. Had my second daughter, I needed something bigger. This is perfect for us. This is also perfect for my setup.
Got it. You still making payments, or?
Yes, I'm almost done. You know, thankfully I'm almost done. But thinking about either getting something newer or maybe possibly a van.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Now, I see the water tank, this and that.
Yeah.
Is that a setup, or did you just put it there?
Well, everything's on there. Some of the stuff is bolted down. The water tank is pretty much it's being held right now by a strap from one side to the other one. It was pretty good. Doesn't move around at all, so we're good. All
right, man. Walk me through your equipment. What's the first thing you want to show me? What you got over here?
First thing I have here is gonna be basic here, vacuum with upgraded to a longer hose, which I would recommend instead of the little black one that it comes with. Another thing I have another container here, which contains all my chemicals, sprays, cans, wax, some of the waxes. Another thing that I do have is gonna be my pressure washer here. I started off with something smaller, but this one here is my Honda, the GX200 with the Comet pump. Pretty strong. There's a lot better things out there, but that is pretty good for detailing and then pressure washing if you also offer that. Another thing's gonna be here, my hose reel that's bolted down to the bed. It's a 50-foot hose, pressure hose, which is pretty long enough. You can always upgrade to 100-foot if you really need that long hose. Another basic thing I do have is gonna be my bucket here that contains most of my brushes. It's gonna have most of my brushes here, my tire shine, which is pretty handy. It's just a regular bucket, and you can also purchase this at Home Depot by Husky. So what I have here is pretty much gonna be some brushes, my tire shine, more interior brushes, exterior brushes, detail brushes here. I also have my tire shine brush on the other side here. Right here.
So it's kind of like a bucket with pockets.
Yeah, pretty much. With the sleeve here, comes in handy. So I would recommend anybody doing this. And then inside here, I have my spray. Couple sprayers here, some chemicals I got over just to try out over at Chemical Guys. Some tire cleaners, my sprays, my foam cannon. Another thing I do have my buckets here. I got 3 buckets, 4 buckets with wheel brushes. And then I also have my 65-gallon low-profile water tank here. And my big boy over here, power generator that I got over at H2O. It's a 3500 running watts, which is pretty strong. I could run my vacuum, I could run my buffer, and I could also run my extractor at the same time with no issues. So if you have an extractor, I would highly recommend you starting off with a 3500 at least. Pretty strong. So that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, anybody's interested in getting a low profile setup, this is pretty much, you don't have to start off with this big equipment here. You could always get something smaller. I mean, I started off with the Ryobi, which is also pretty good. And then you might want to get a tank like that, just have enough water. So I could do about maybe 6 cars with that 65-gallon water tank. Another thing I do have here is a little step stool for my pickup trucks. Have a little gas can for extra gas for your machines. You never want to run out in the middle of a job. Besides, I have my cord there, extension, my drying towels here, my gloves over there. I also have a couple lights, but I forgot to bring those with me that I carry sometimes. And I can show you guys on the inside here. So on the inside here, I carry some of my basic stuff, like my container of some of my microfiber towels here. I also have my steamer over here that I use for steaming jobs, and my extractor over here. So this stuff here, most of the time is in here if I don't need the truck. Especially if I'm gonna do full details, then I always make sure I have that here. And then over here, I got my drill over here, some basic tools. And since I'm not doing any waxing jobs today or any paint corrections, I don't have my buffers with me, but I usually do bring those with me when I have those type of jobs.
All right, man.
But besides that, guys, that's pretty much it. I consider a low profile setup. And if you are gonna go with something like this, I would highly recommend you getting a cover, just to protect your equipment from anybody trying to take your stuff, or also from the weather. If you want to keep it too hot, or any water getting in there, rain getting in there. But it does come in handy. You could get the one that locks up so it can stay safe in there. And another benefit is that this tailgate locks when I lock up the truck, so nobody could really get in there unless they break it in somehow. Besides that, that's pretty much it, guys. But let me know what you guys think, because I want to upgrade. I either want to get a van, get something bigger, or I want to get that camper pickup shell, make it a little bit taller, and customize the inside. I want to get like a tall, low profile, thin water tank, and get some custom racks here, so when I open up the door, I can have my gallons right there, and my bottles as well. But I need some opinions. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, or shoot me a DM on Instagram. You think I should go with the pickup shell, something different, and wrap the whole truck, or should I go with the van?
What's the hardest thing about this setup? What's the most frustrating thing to you?
I think most frustrating thing would be just having to put my extractor in the back seat. It's not a biggie, but I feel like it'll be a lot easier once I have that pickup shell. I might be able to organize a little bit more back here, have enough space to put my everything back here.
So there you go. You saw his truck setup, like he mentioned. Let us know in the comments below what you think he should do next. But Arnold, where can people show you some love, man?
On Instagram, Arnolds Detailing. Send me a DM there, or also you'll get my phone number there. Shoot me a text or give me a call.
Yep. Yeah. And you also selling some merch or what?
Yeah, I'm thinking of some stuff. You bring out some shirts, you know, some detailing shirts. I actually have some in mind that I made a couple days ago. So I had this idea here of some merch, and nothing crazy, but something different, you know. Pretty much detailing is live. Let me know what you guys think. So you got the hand on there with the buffer. Detailing is live in cursive, and in the front here, I got my name here, Arnold's Mobile Detailing, with also the little buffer with the skull hand. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys also want to pick one of these up, shoot me a DM on Instagram. Let me go ahead and send you guys one over there. I'll show you guys a price, and then I got different sizes as well. And then stay tuned, because I'm gonna have more different designs coming up.
All right, so there you go. Everything's in the description below. And if you like this detailing content, you want to see more, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.